How to create a new group chat on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through how to create a new group chat on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, I will launch Instagram application on your device. Make sure that you logged into your account. And now tap on the messenger icon at top right corner from your home page. Tap on the Create New Message icon at top right corner of your screen. And here you will see the option to create group chat. Tap on it. Now here you need to tap on group name and add your name of group. Now you can easily tick mark the individual that you want to add on your group chat. Now tap on Create Group Chat at bottom of your screen. Tap Close button. So here you can see that we are not able to create group chat now because one of the followers is or hasn't followed us yet. So only you can make the group to or with those people who are your followers and you follow them back. So let's tap on create group chat at bottom of your screen. And as you can see that we have successfully created a new group chat on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.